Hello everyone, this is Dr. Zaidi. Welcome to my YouTube channel ZTube. In this video, I'm going to derive the break-even point equation and the target profit equation using the total cost and the profit equation. So as you know that the profit is equals to sales minus total cost, right? So profit is equals to sales minus total cost, and sales is a combination of two things. It's the selling price times the number of units sold. So total sales is equals to selling price times number of units sold. So we are going to expand this equation as SP times U. And as you know that the total cost is equals to your total variable cost plus total fixed cost, right? So we are going to expand total cost, and then further, we are going to expand in our next step the total variable cost, because the total variable cost is a combination of unit variable cost times unit. Just like we calculate sales, which is selling price times unit, we calculate the total variable cost, which is unit variable cost times the number of units sold. So now here plus total fixed cost. So we expanded the profit equation as selling price times unit minus unit variable cost times unit plus total fixed cost. Now we are going to open this bracket here. We are left with selling price times unit minus unit variable cost times unit. And then because we are multiplying minus times plus in the total fixed cost, minus times plus is minus. So we got minus here for total fixed cost. So that is the expanded equation. Now we are going to factor out U. As you see here, I underlined two portions in red. So selling price times unit minus unit variable cost times units. We are going to factor out U from here. So we left with selling price minus unit variable cost. And then we multiplied by U that we factored out minus total fixed cost. And as you know from the contribution margin approach, if you have watched my video, if you haven't, please watch that the contribution margin approach video discusses that the selling price minus unit variable cost will give you a contribution margin per unit. So we substituted selling price minus unit variable cost as a contribution margin per unit times U minus total fixed cost. Now we are going to solve for U. So when we solve for U, we are going to add total fixed cost on the both sides. So the total fixed cost is going to go towards profit plus total fixed cost, which you can see in this equation right there, right? And we are going to divide contribution margin per unit on both sides. So the right-hand side will cancel out. So we have a profit plus total fixed cost divided by contribution margin per unit. Now this is the equation for target profit in units. Means that if you want to know how many units you have to sell in order to earn certain amount of profit, you can use this equation. Let's say if you want to make $1 million in profit, then you can insert $1 million in the profit in the equation. You add your total fixed cost of the company and you divide by contribution margin per unit. This will give you how many units you have to sell in order to reach a certain target profit. Now we move on to the break-even point. At break-even point, your profits are zero. If your profits are zero, then if you go back on your previous equation, what we're going to do is we are going to substitute that profit as zero. So in this equation right here, in red, it shows that the profit is substituted as zero, or the zero is substituted for profit, plus total fixed cost divided by contribution margin per unit. So this is the break-even point in units. Break-even point in units is your total fixed cost divided by contribution margin unit. Break-even point is the point where you make no profit, means neither you lose money nor you make money. So this will give you how many units you have to sell in order to reach break-even point in units. Now, break-even point can be calculated in dollars. Same thing, the target profit can be calculated in dollar as well. So if you see here in equation, the top equation, the target profit in unit is profit plus total fixed cost divided by contribution margin per unit. That's the equation we drove. If we substitute contribution margin per unit here as a contribution margin ratio, This will give you target profit in dollar, means how much you have to sell in order to reach certain amount of profit. Before it was target profit in unit, how many units you have to sell in order to reach target profit. Okay, same thing we can do for break even point. The first equation we had is break even point in units equals to total fixed cost divided by contribution margin per unit. If we substitute contribution margin per unit by contribution margin ratio, we will get break even point in dollar. So the total fixed cost divided by contribution margin ratio is break-even point in dollar, which will give you how much you have to sell in order to reach the break-even point, or the y-axis in your cost volume profit analysis. So here is the CVP graph revision. If you say so 18,000 is the break-even point dollar amount. You have to sell $18,000 worth of goods in order to reach break-even point, and the quantity is on x-axis. It shows here that you have to sell 200 units in order to reach break-even point. So that is for our break-even point. Thank you for watching my video. Please subscribe my channel for live updates.